Last week, new spy photos of the latest restyling of the flagship German crossover were published, revealing new details of its appearance. The largest Mercedes-Benz crossover has a history dating back to 2006. Initially, it was named GL, and during the restyling of the second generation in 2015, it was renamed GLS. Currently, the third generation of the SUV is in production, with its premiere having taken place in the spring of 2019. Last year, the crossover received its first restyling, and now, based on repeatedly surfaced spy photos, another update is being prepared. The test prototypes have camouflaged front and rear parts, but new headlights are already visible. The new generation E-Class, which debuted last year, was the first to feature LED elements in the headlights stylized as the company logo. This design choice will be borrowed by the updated S-Class and the restyled GLS. The premiere of the second updated Mercedes-Benz GLS is expected next year.